Today, the disconnect between nature and the way we live has become so much that it's like poles apart.
I quit my education, came back to my village and did chemical farming for a few days, and I observed something wrong we are doing. It's very wrong. By adding these kind of pesticides and all, people will eat, small children will eat. What is a farmer means? What a farmer, he should grow a food. He should serve people with very good nutritional foods, free of chemical residues. And why farmer is doing these things? And why farmer himself is struggling?
2008 ನಾವು ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ತೋಟ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ತೋಟ ಒಂದು 2.5 ಎಕರೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. 2009, 10, 11, 12 ಈಗ ಒಂದು 4 ವರ್ಷ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬೆಳೆ ಬಂತು, ದುಡ್ಡು ಆಯಿತು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇದೇ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಲೈಫು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ 13, 14, 15ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆಯಿಂದ ಬೆಳೆಗೆ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಡೌನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಹೆವಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೆಳೆಯಿಂದ ಬೆಳೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡೋದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡೋದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಾಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯಿತು. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈ ವ್ಯವಸಾಯ ಈ ಪದ್ಧತಿ ಸರೋತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
See, you can see the how flush and how fresh, red and having nothing. You can see the very good seeds inside, but if you see the outer side, it has lot of scratches. But most of our markets, supermarkets and other people are educated having shiny good fruits to the consumer. Having big size is the good, not other ones. Because of that, many people are using heavily chemicals in the pomegranate. People only the reasons are only to avoid this kind of things.
Come faster.
Okay.
Come straight, come faster.
Just straight, yeah.
In 200 meters, your destination will be on the right.
I was working in the corporate sector for in IT specifically for I think around 25 plus years. 2007 is when I prematurely resigned from Infosys Technologies. I was part of the senior management there at that point in time amongst the top 20 or 30 people.
Hi, my name is Pavan Mudana. I am basically an engineering graduate and I wanted to pursue my master's, so I went to United States and got my master's in civil and environmental engineering, and that's how it's all started initially in my head, how the farm was started.
I'm 25 years teacher service, teaching government services there. This garden is my wonderful dream.
I was doing all different functions in corporate, like starting from purchase to customer care to technical to sales and training. So from there I've got an overview, almost 360-degree idea of the world.
See, I'm basically a postgraduate in computer science. My passion was always into teaching. Immediately when I finished my graduation BE in computer science, I joined as lecturer in one of the engineering college. I was into IT industry for around 2.5 years.
Basically, I'm an art student. I studied political science, history, economics, and that too in Kannada.
Okay.
But finally, somehow I ended in Infosys. So whatever I'm today here, maybe I can say it's all because of Excel.
What they say is when you really want something and pursue it with complete commitment, 100% you jump into it. Nature conspires to make you successful. See, the natural farming for me is just one facet of what I'm trying to do. Broadly, the core of what I believe in is natural living. When I say natural living, in every way possible. Go as close to nature and natural systems as possible.
Spiritual farming, as we understand, or as I understand, is to have a farming in communion with the nature. God is so benevolent, He has created the universe so good that you should enjoy. See, the Bible it says, He has sent His only Son so that you have life and life in full. So our job is to enjoy life in full in the right manner, organically, and pleasing to God.
It's been around 4 to 5 years now. Okay, 4 to 5 years when I started all this. So initially even I used to do chemical farming and all. What has happened is so much of money is getting wasted. So much of money I spent on pesticides and all. Then slowly I start realizing, why am I doing this? See, basically I'm a data analytics. I do my data, I try to find the root cause of it. So we in IT companies, we do 5I, right? The same way I started doing 5I. Why? First of all, why pesticides are coming here? Why they are not eating the neem trees? Why they are not eating the pangamia? Why they are not eating chicus? Why only it is coming to my guava plant or papaya plant? So, rather than killing them, why can't I avoid them?
When we understand and realize, the chemical farming is completely spoiling the agriculture community, then in 2017-18 we decided, we will come for natural farming methods and we don't use any pesticides and chemicals. So that is when we started all these organic farming methods.
What I learned from this farming, I started sharing this to many people. The plan is working on 3 objectives: doing nature farming, promoting nature farming, bringing awareness to as many people as possible, and connecting this nature farming produce to general public. And making many people realize what is this nature farming is, how it is need of the hours, and how more beneficial when compared to all this organic chemical farming. 7 years before there are 1 lakh farmers or something. Now there are 50 lakh farmers are in India are doing nature farming. Step by step it's growing up.
I can grow little bit for some varieties I can grow in my farm, but the customer required many varieties. You need all the vegetables, fruits and millets, pulses, spices and other value-added products that I can't do alone actually. That's the reason we started a collective initiative. We educate the farmers, give the seeds, inputs, and we provide the market access through our platform. That's the name. We named it as Ananta Naturals. Our collective name is Ananta Naturals.
So what we are doing here is actually every 2 months once, we are having a farmer education program here. This place is called as Farmer Education Center, you can say. So 1 acre land, more than 100 varieties of things you can grow.
Okay.
Including fruits, vegetables, millets, name it, whatever it is. It's going to be there in this particular model flat. Second aspect is buyer education in terms of the lifestyle.
Right.
So buyer, what is good, what is bad? The malpractices, whatever the people does it, actually we need to understand that well to differentiate with the good natural produce compared to the chemical produce.
Actually, I started working towards actually to have the consistent farmers market in one place, the weekly farmers market. So even the Farmizan used to be part of farmers market regularly, and along with that Abai Farm or Nature Farm, there are many farmers. It is a one collective group which has actually at least 10 to 12 brands which has joined together, and Farmizan is playing a very great role there to help us in promoting more in the farmers market.
We are near Whitefield Forum Neighborhood Mall. It's first time the farmers market is set up here. So we have some avocados, some chicus are there, 3 to 4 varieties of fruits are there, and rest are staple foods.
If a farmer knows his consumer well, you won't poison the food. If a consumer knows a farmer well, you won't bargain the food. A real farmer is the person who serves mankind with true nutrition value foods free of chemical residues.